Hey everybody, it's Lady Dorsey back with a review. We're gonna check out this new hair dryer I picked up. It is called the Remington Pro Wet2Style for faster styling, and it has 4 unique attachments. So the different attachments, I was interested in this. I have 2 little boys with lots of hair, and I wanted to find a blow dryer that had attachments on it that could already be utilized to dry their hair and straighten it for easier braiding. So this is the detangler. It says a blowout boost, a diffuser, and a slipstream. So I'm going to open this up and see what's inside and see how you put it together. So hold on tight. So here it is. I'm pulling it out of the box. It's pretty big, kind of heavy. Let's see what else we got here. So here are the different attachments. We got the stream, the boost. Comes with a little guide, user and care guide. Yeah. Here is the diffuser. Pretty good for probably drying your roots. And the one I'm most interested in right now is the detangler. Alright, so I got it all unpacked. Each of the individual pieces that we have with this Remington Wet2Style. I picked this up from Walmart. I don't really remember how much it costs. I'll try to find it on their website and post it. But it's just some different things talking about the warranty, the different parts, some warning labels, how to plug it into the wall to make sure it's safe, to test it out to make sure the outlet's going to be able to withstand the power that it uses. And yeah, so this is my oldest son here, and this is the hair that we're going to try to use it on to detangle so we can braid it up. I see he probably has a 4A, 4B mix. Type 4 hair for sure, and a lot of it. Beautiful head of hair, and we're gonna see how this blow dry. And you just slide it up, and there it is. So I'm gonna get this plugged up and alrighty, so we're going to check this blow dryer out. It has a cooling function, low, medium, and high. And then it has a fan, 0, medium, and high on it. So I'll let you see that. And then we're going to see how this works with this type of textured hair. can see, this is very efficient. It has dried his hair, this little section here, in less than a minute. Probably took like 30 seconds or less. And I'll be able to part and braid and do whatever it is I need to do. If I wanted to clip his ends, I can take care of that. But I'm very happy with the detangler and how it was able to dry his hair. Now it's stretched out. As you can see the shrinkage on here. But yeah, so very happy with this Remington Wet2Style blow dryer. If you like what you saw today, please like, comment, and please subscribe and come check out some more of my reviews. And thanks for watching. Peace.